What is innovation? It is breakthrough and also is driving force. Innovation incubates great achievements. It promotes industry prosperity and civilization progress. Extraordinary creativity keeps us moving along the endless path of innovation. Innovation drives the future. Founded in 1966, Hefei Changyuan Hydraulic Co. Limited has become one of the few pioneers and innovators in the field of hydraulic transmission in China and keeps a major share of the domestic market. HCHC, a major architect of hydraulic industry standard, has participated in the formulation of many industry and national standards of hydraulic products. Craftsmanship, smart manufacturing, precision machining, and technology innovation have built the legacy of HCHC. Equipped with modern production line and information-based test platform, our intelligent production has been leading the industry in China. Our main products include hydraulic pumps, hydraulic motors, hydraulic valves, hydraulic cylinders, and hydraulic systems, covering more than 200 series with 8,000 specifications. With excellent performance, our products have successfully applied in multiple fields. Over the years, many of our products have replaced imported products and created maximum value for customers. In possession of multiple core technologies, we keep making innovations and have successfully obtained 170 national patents, including 37 invention patents. We have also won various honors such as National High-Tech Enterprise, National Quality Award, National Customer Satisfaction Enterprise, Provincial Enterprise Technology Center, and China well-known trademark, etc. In the past 50 years, we have integrated the spirit of craftsmanship into every link of company's development. With great dedication in operation and management, and the implementation of the strategy of improving quality, creating brand, and increasing variety, we have achieved quick improvement in management efficiency and production capacity. We have 3 production centers which mainly manufacture medium-high pressure hydraulic pumps, hydraulic control valves, and hydraulic cylinders. And our annual output of various kinds of hydraulic parts has exceeded 1 million pieces. Our products have been widely used in industrial vehicles, construction machinery, automobile repacking, modern agricultural machinery, as well as various industries like mining, metallurgy, petroleum, ship, environmental sanitation, etc., emphasizing on quality and services. Our products are very popular in domestic market, and some products have been exported to the United States, Italy, India, Korea, Brazil, etc. We not only provide customized products and services to meet diversified requirements of different customers, but are also able to supply and service comprehensive systems as required. We always highly value our employees and their talents. Through constant improvement in human resource management, a large number of excellent technical and management talents now work with us to make a great future of HCHC. To offer customers better products and services, we have set up an impeccable after-sales service network, as well as a comprehensive marketing service system which integrates sales department, technical department, production department, and quality management department to provide customers with systemic solutions for hydraulic transmission and control. We keep making innovations, continuously developing new products, actively broadening application fields for our products, strengthening research on electro-hydraulic control, and gradually achieving the integration of hydraulic systems and controlling systems. In the meanwhile, we have also developed our markets in the fields of wind power, new energy, and others. Our gear pumps have been successfully used in aviation, navigation, and wind power generation equipment. while our hydraulic cylinders and hydraulic valves have been applied in the fields of heavy load robot and new energy industries. Follow original aspirations and keep making innovations. We will create more efficient hydraulic transmission systems and establish HCHC as a top Chinese brand in the world. Innovation drives the future. HCHC Hydraulics.